Hi everyone, welcome to my newest listing at 301 Cantle Court here in Weatherford. It is located on a corner lot on 1.9 acres in Saddle Crest Estate. Come check it out. As you enter, you'll notice the wood-look tile floors and the floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace along with gold hardware. This is a new build construction built by Silverleaf Homes. The new built home will come with a full builder's warranty. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. My name is Kaylan Baucom. If you have any questions about this home or any other ones, even if it is considering building a home on a lot that Silverleaf may have or another builder, I would be honored to help you through the process. Contact me at 817-908-2905.